Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do a reaching roll, a reaching segmental roll, or a pulling roll. And I'll just shut up and show you. So normally when we roll upper body, we use our head, our eyes, and our intent and our reach to roll over. But there's a little bit more muscular action here. But what if we imagined that we were being pulled, so by our wrist or our index finger, and we kept everything else completely relaxed except that we are just dead weight and we're being pulled around. So it might look like, we're being pulled to reach. That was exaggerated, but maybe if I just did this, you would know what I'm talking about. So then we get pulled back. So it's similar but very different. And a matter of fact, if you just let yourself be pulled, the roll feels like just a totally different movement altogether. So there is the active head reach where the body follows. And then there's I'm getting pulled along reach. And it's like you're like a Mary Annette. And it's just pulling you over. Kind of have to use your imagination, but if you can find the reach and let just the reach pull you over, it's a completely different roll and it stretches you out just a little bit. Feels good. So, try to relax and let your reach or your pointer finger pull you over. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.